With just over 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the powerful 8-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Four-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Lexus prioritized practicality, efficiency, and style by including a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, automatic dimming door mirrors, illuminated running boards, a trailer hitch, and power seats. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Lexus ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Comprehensive safety includes row curtain airbags and stability control. With a friendly and knowledgeable sales staff, superb customer care, and competitive prices, we're looking forward to serving you.